Hey, what's wrong?
I made all these bald spots in the yard that had weeds and just undesirable stuff, and I did it too early, so I want to put grass seed down, but it's just not safe to put grass down this time of year. It's just too hot.
Don't you know about Turfmend?
Turfmend?
Yeah, Turfmend. Turfmend has a yellow jacket coating with built-in fungicide. It'll keep your little grass seed babies nice and safe and disease-free through the hot summer months.
I wish I had some Turfmend. Oh boy, Turfmend. What's going on, everybody? Chuck here. I hope that you are having a fantastic day today. I'm here on the strip. Please disregard this gross crabgrass. I've tried my best. I did not do a pre-emergent here on the strip, and I am paying the price for it. But I have 3 areas here on the strip that were areas of like crabgrass and some quackgrass and some other undesirable stuff. So I just nuked it with glyphosate. Not just, I mean, it's been a little while. And then I took my trimmer and I just went to town on this area to make a nice bed here for some new seed. Before I actually apply any seed, I do have some dirt that I got from my father-in-law's house that I'm gonna apply here just to make a nice little bed for the seed to germinate on. And for the seed, I was actually given some seed to test out. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you that seed.
What's number 2?
So I want to thank Jeff Stahman. Pete gave me the new blend of Turfmend, which comes with the GCI Turf Turf Type Tall Fescue. And then Jeff sent me the OG version of the Turfmend, Repair the Bear. It has the yellow jacket coating, which comes with a fungicide. And now the fungicide, because that's the big problem. When you plant at the wrong time of the year, you can subject your grasslings to fungus at the wrong time of the year. And so the yellow jacket coating has that fungicide to help prevent that. The new blend that comes with GCI Turf Seed does not have the yellow jacket coating. These both do, however. They are Turf Type Tall Fescue. I think this is like Barenbrug, where this is obviously the GCI. It comes with the peat moss and compost on the inside, so you're getting a little bit of, you're getting those soil amendments, you're getting the peat moss, which helps water retention, and all that kind of good stuff. So I'm actually, because I have 2, now this bag here, the big bag, covers 425 square feet. Because I have bigger areas here on the strip, I'm gonna put the OG Turfmend here on the strip in the areas that need it. And over on the main lawn, that are much smaller areas, I'm gonna use the GCI blend, which covers 95 square feet, or at least this bag covers 95 square feet. That should be more than enough. I have some starter fertilizer I'm also gonna put on it in the garage. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead, get my dirt out here. We're gonna get to putting seed down. Well,
Ow.
Got my son here.
Hey! I was just waiting on you.
I know. There, yeah. You see the seeds right here? This is the grass seed, buddy. You see it?
Yeah.
The little one. Here, put your hand out. So now I'm going to use
I'll do you with it too.
the version, the GCI Turf version of it. That just has the GCI seed in it with no yellow jacket coating. This is, for my starter fertilizer, this is just a 10-10-10 that I have in the house. You know, so it's got all three, you know, your nitrogen, your potassium, and your phosphorus. And I'm just going to do it on a real low setting. I'm going to do it at a 2 on this whirligig here. And I'm just going to gently coat the areas that I put the Turfmend down. And then I'm going to go ahead and just water it. And this will be done. You got stuff all over your face. Why's your face so dirty?
I just...
What did you do? What did you do today? Did you help Daddy with some seed?
Yeah, and then the hands are hardly all brown.
Yeah, they're all brown and dirty. So that is it for putting Turfmend and fixing these bare spots in the lawn. Now it's just you do it like you would with any other time you put seed down. You want to water it. I'm gonna go for 3 times a day. I'm actually gonna hand water these. I'm working from home, so I can manage a little bit of watering. And because I'll be hand watering, I don't have to do like the 15 minutes that you normally would do because I'm putting down more water since I'll be standing over it. So I'm just gonna hand water these spots. There's a couple areas that were just more thin here on the strip and even on the main lawn, mainly here by the mailbox that didn't grow in very well from last year. I put a little bit more seed down and so yeah, it's pretty much it. Very simple. You know, it already has the peat moss, so you're gonna get a good covering. If the peat moss is dry, your seed is dry. So if you see your peat moss drying out, put some more water down. And I mean, like I said, I'm fortunate enough that I get to work from home, so I can keep a better, closer eye on it than I would during my traditional fall overseed when I was at work. Just kind of had to set it and hope for the best. So anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, comment below. Have you used Turfmend before? How do you repair your bare spots? Do you just get some normal seed, like regular grass seed, and just throw it down? Yeah, let's talk about it. So anyway, I will see you all in the next video. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and God bless.